What's happening, YouTube? It's JD Trades, and I'm bringing you today's market outlook. Okay, I'm going to bring you an update of the moves I'm looking for today. So, we have had the closure of yesterday. I know it is early hours, but I thought let me get the market update out of the way before we get to London session. Guys, as always, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get into it. So today we do have the CPI data, right? For the dollar, which is quite a key high impact news, and it will be good to see how price wants to pretty much react. Right now, in terms of today and the price action that we've had, we were looking for sells. Well, we weren't entirely looking for sales. We wanted to see what the dollar was going to do today, whether we were going to sell off from the 4 hour candle there, okay, which was sitting inside his daily candle, or are we just going to continue pushing to the upside? Now, it's safe to say with the actual price action that we've gotten, this looks more likely to come for this high here, okay? So kind of to finish out the week, I'm expecting to see this weekly candle continue to push up a little bit higher, okay? Now, if we can push ourselves into this imbalance here on the, I believe this is a weekly imbalance. Okay, if we can push ourselves up into that level there and then pull back down lower, so we can make, let's say, the high of the week here and then have the closure of the week around here, that would be pretty good. Okay, that's kind of my take before price kind of continues or begins for tomorrow. Right, so tomorrow we're going to look inside these two down candle areas here. We're going to look for the lows here to be swept. Right, we're going to work off of that framework tomorrow and see if we may potentially get some moves. Okay, now I am going to post this inside the Telegram. If you're not inside the Telegram, link to the Telegram is in the description box down below. It's completely for free, guys. I post all my chart analysis, chart updates, and live trades. All right, next up is gold. Of course, as you guys know, the live stream from yesterday, we did catch this gold buy move here. We did get taken out at break even. However, if you did not move your stop to entry, you should have been able to catch this whole move here as well. So 1 to 3, and right at the highs, we've seen 5% move on this gold trade. Now, as we have reached these highs again, we keep holding these all-time high levels and price keeps rejecting to the downside. Now, ideally, I believe that most of the week is done in terms of gold. If we start to drop off too much, we can look inside the same area again for another test to see if we can push up again. Price can react at the same area multiple times. That's perfectly fine. However, I would not like to see it do that, okay? Because the more and more we chill and we hang around at these levels, the more and more I expect to see prices actually head to the downside for next week. It's just as simple as that. Next up is Euro USD. So for EU, we did have that push to the upside, okay, yesterday London session. And you can see that we did have the push to the upside. We didn't quite push up high enough, but realistically, this is the whole area here. And that's where price is tested and we've pushed down lower. So I want to see us actually retrace. We do have this 1 hour imbalance here with this 1 hourly engulfing candle to the downside. So I want to see if we can play into this candle here, look above the high here and see if we can get a test. Okay, so it will look something similar to this before we head down lower. As you guys should have seen there, I will post inside the Telegram this daily. We have reached the daily imbalance, in fact. Okay, so that is something worth noting. But we can test this daily down candle a little bit lower as well. Now we do have divergence there between Euro USD and the DXY. Okay, so Euro USD has taken out the low, and the dollar, okay, has not taken out the high there. Okay, so as I've told you guys before, this can be used as a sign of reversal for this pair. Okay, S&P 500 has dropped further down, but we will take a closer look at it potentially today's live stream. And as you guys can see, that was this is my live stream window where we caught those gold longs. But other than that, that's all I'm going to leave you with today. And as always, remember the theory behind the practice, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Have a lovely weekend.